In the heart of a rugged volcanic landscape, hidden among black rocks and rising steam, lie nature's fiery treasures. As the soil is gently brushed away, rare gemstones begin to appear. Opal, glowing with inner fire. Peridot, sparkling green like the Earth's core. And garnet, deep red, like lava frozen in time. Obsidian shines like black glass, sharp and ancient, while zircon flashes with crystal brilliance. Even sapphire, one of the world's hardest gems, can emerge from these extreme depths. Born from heat, pressure, and time, these stones are more than beauty. They are forged by the volcano's power and Earth's endless